The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 11:30 p.m. At 10:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Elgin to near Canton Hills to near Elburn, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Aurora, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, St. Charles, West Chicago, Warrenville, Wayne, and DuPage Airport around 10:50 p.m. Naperville, Wheaton, Glendale Heights, Roselle, Bloomingdale, and Winfield around 10:55 p.m. Downers Grove, Lombard, Addison, Glen Ellen, Lisle, and Itasca around 11 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 270 and 276. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 140. Interstate 290 between mile markers 5 and 15. Interstate 355 near mile marker 12, in between mile markers 15 and 30. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is